Hi, welcome to the eGen Solutions YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about how to get your reel that you created into your IG stories for a little bit of extra promotion, and then from your IG stories into your highlight. I know it sounds like a lot, but I promise you it's simple. Let's get over to the desktop. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram app and go to the post that you want to, or the post or reel that you want to share into your Instagram stories. And when you get to that post, you're going to look for the little arrow, the little paper plane, the little arrow icon, and you're going to click that. When you click that little arrow, you're going to get this little menu box that's going to pop up on your screen just like this. And then on the very bottom, you're going to see a menu bar, and you're going to look for the icon that has a little plus and circle that says Your Story. And once you click that your story, it's just going to pop right into your Instagram stories. It's so easy. And then you can play around with it. Like you can pinch and move your story around. And then up at the very top there, you can see where my arrows are pointing. You can add text, you can add stickers. I personally like to add the tap to watch. I type that in the search, and then you can get some stickers, and so people know that if they tap the story, it goes into they can watch the full reel. So just a little tidbit that you might want to let people know. Not everyone knows that if you tap the IG story, you can watch the full reel. That is how you get the reel to your Instagram story. Now I'm going to show you how to get the Instagram story into your highlights. So after you are all set with your stickers and your placement and everything, then you're going to hit next, and you're going to get to this share screen. Now you can select just to send it to close friends. I've never really done that. I like to just put my story as public. You can include close friends so that they get a notification, and you can also send it as a message to people as well. I tend to just do my story, and then I go and do a select few after that. But once you select your options, you want to hit the share button, and then we'll go to the next option. And then when you hit share again, now you're going to get to your highlights section, and you'll see here it says also share to add to highlights. And it's a little covered there by my recording, but it has a little drop down box. You're going to click that drop down box, and then you're going to see all your highlights. And then if you need to add another highlight series, you can of course go ahead and add another highlight or another little circle to your profile. So this is how you get your Instagram story into your highlights. And this is what it would look like here. So you can see I've got only two highlights, and there's a little plus where I can add in a new highlight if I want. I can label it whatever I want. But once you select that drop down, these are the options that you either have or need to create that will show up. Now let's say you want to edit a highlight, whether it's to change the name or to add a cover, or maybe you just want to delete some stories out. Super easy. You're just going to go to the highlight that you see on the front of your profile and click it. And then once you click it, you're going to see these three little dots down at the bottom. Click those three little dots. And then once you click those three little dots, you'll get some options here for how to work with that highlight. One of them being edit highlight. So that once you click that, you'll be able to edit the highlight however you need at that point. So there you go. So there you have it, how to take a reel to your IG story, to your highlight, and also how to edit your highlights. Play around with it, have fun. If you found this beneficial, you might like our eGen Solutions Clickable Bites, that newsletter that we send out every month. It's one newsletter a month with 3 short things that'll help you in your with your social media and your business. And also we've been starting to put AI prompts to help you create social media, to get some ideas, and to kind of really start using AI in your social media efforts. So I of course have the link in the description below this video, and you can easily sign up for our next eGen Clickable Bites newsletter. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're not, why not? And either way, I will see you again in the next video. Thanks so much.
So where do we go when everything feels like it just